said he came down and what he said, put that all down in writing. So that
Here comes a Union Pacific with an NS. I mean CSX and another CSX. I knew this game would be good because there's lots of people. And you know, the nice crews give horn shows to people. So I thought this might be a good place to rail fan. This is in Lakeshore, Pennsylvania.
Trying to sit down and do it, but you need to do that so that you have all those dates in order, and you can specifically say, this is exactly what they said to you. You know, on
this cam is sound, the other one doesn't. I was like flipping the cam. Which is the train coming from? This way, that way, this way, that way. I was literally like every 5 seconds switching the cams. Is it coming from north? Is it coming from south? Where is it coming from? Actually, does that say east? I'm not sure. It might be east and west. Or east and south. I'm not sure.
Well, you could get them on that.
So the end of the train is coming, I think.
Big.
The end is coming.